So, you're going vegan. That's great. But are you going grain free? And if you're going grain free, are you also going lectin free? If you are going lectin free, then you don't want to have grains or potatoes, which really is a nightshade. A lot of people think it's a tuber, but it's not. You also want to avoid tomatoes and green peppers because they have lectins in their skin, or you can deskin them. So if you are going lectin free, I've got a great recipe for you today. Hi everyone, it's the Health Juggernaut, and today we're going to be making French fries, sweet potatoes, and yams. Let's get started. First, we're going to want to go ahead and clean these off really good in the sink. Wash them down. I'm going to leave the skins on them because I like the texture that it gives. You can peel yours if you want to. For this recipe today, we're going to clean these off and then chop them up. I'll be right back. Alright, so they're cleaned and dried. Next step, chop off these ends. Not going to need those. Look at that color. That looks amazing. Alright, now let's chop these up. Into somewhat uniform sized pieces. And you can make them a different shape if you want to. I'm just going to try to make hearty wedges that are about the same size. Okay, so we have our yam and our sweet potato chopped. Now let's mix up some delicious spicy seasoning. I got a 1 gallon bag here. First thing I'm going to do is put in some Bragg's liquid aminos. Basically this is just salt and some liquid to help the other spices stick. A few tablespoons, that's all you need. Let's add some more ingredients. Black pepper. I love me some black pepper. Can't overdo pepper. Pepper's good. Next, turmeric. It's healthy and it adds a little flavor. Lots of turmeric is good. I don't know why my turmeric always goes a little wild. Just does. Might as well throw in some cumin. Oops. This has never been used. Alright, let's try that. Okay. I don't like to go that heavy on the cumin. It's got a strong taste. Onion powder. Now you can put lots of onion powder. Tastes great. Gives you that classic French fry taste. How about some paprika? You know that's good. Give it that spicy flavor. And last but not least, little cayenne. Punch it up, make it hot. It's actually not going to come out that hot because a lot of this seasoning is going to be lost in the bag and on the pan, so it's really not going to be that much. So this looks like hot flavoring, but it's not going to be that hot. It's really going to taste more like a mild. Alright. Let's put our wedges in. Okay. Now, be sure to zip lock your bag. Now you just stir it up. You gotta get those spices moving around. You gotta get everything covered. Good and covered. Yeah. Shake it up. That looks pretty good. See, you lose a lot of spices, they get stuck to the bag. As long as your wedges are pretty well covered, should be good. Alright, let's put them on a pan. I forgot to mention, preheat your oven to 375. Take your wedges. I've got a cookie sheet here with some parchment paper on top. Spread your wedges on them. Oh yeah, they're good and covered. That looks nice. That looks real nice. Now you want to spread these out kind of uniformly. You don't really want them piled on top of each other. They'll cook that better that way. What you want to do is cook them for 30 minutes on one side, and then yes, take the time to pull the pan out, flip them over, and then cook them on the other side for about 30 minutes, and they will come out delish. All right, that's it. Let's pop them in the oven. Okay, that's been 30 minutes. Let's take them out. All right, they look good so far. Let's just flip a few of them over. Using our handy dandy grabber. They look good. I don't really have to probably flip every single one of them. They're not burning or anything, so let's try the old finger method. Yeah, that works pretty good. All right, that looks good. Let's put them back in for another 30 minutes. Okay, our second 30-minute cook is done, and these look amazing. And there they are. Delicious, crunchy, healthy French fries from sweet potatoes and yams. Add some ketchup and enjoy. Health Juggernaut out.